What's up, man? It's your boy mokicksthanbrucelee. We back again for another banger. And this time we here for an exclusive banger. We here for the Jordan 4 Howard University Air Jordan PE. Let's go.
Like jump man, we jumping out of space. Heat checking from the box to the case. Now lace.
As y'all can see, I had the gloves. I had to bring out the gloves. This is a player exclusive shoe. As I've told, these are not coming out to the public, so these are our first look. Let's get it to them. Let's get into the shoe. Yeah, y'all, these are very exclusive. Right off the bat, the quality is the first thing that sticks out to me for a PE. As you can see right here on the Jordan logo, the ball that you have on the logo is actually like some sort of like jewel or cubic zirconia. I don't know what it is, but it looks like, you know, got a little sparkle to it, almost like a diamond on it. You got the HU Howard University logo right here on a lacelet. Then you got this all this diffused blue or regular blue suede, and it's kind of like an ashy suede. On the inside of the tongue, you have HU, you know, Howard University. You know, the Nike has been doing a partnership with a lot of colleges. You got UNC, you got Florida, you got Oklahoma, I believe, Georgetown, and Howard University was added in 2022. First black HBCU that Jordan brand has endorsed, and so they are in the family now. And this is a player exclusive. They have some other player exclusives also in the lineup, but this is the first Air Jordan 4 to the lineup. So these are very, very dope. As you see right here, they come with the hang tag, a gold hang tag, and it has the Howard Bison on one side. On the other side, it has the Jordan logo, once again with that jewel at the top where the ball is. Very dope touch, as you see on the actual tongue. Then they also have the logo on the back that has the gold Jumpman again with the jewel logo. And again, just wax laces. And like you said, you get the lace lock at the bottom with the Howard University. Just a very, very dope sneaker. And the quality of it is just dope. You can tell they took their time with these. Much better than a regular GR Air Jordan 4. Just a very dope sneaker to have in the studio today to review. And we could get into some B-roll of this sneaker. I appreciate y'all, man, for stopping by and checking out yet another episode of mokicksthanbrucelee. Shout out to my guy, Jet the Beast. He is the guy that's over all the instrumentals and the beats. He made them. And this is actually his sneaker that he let me see for a review. I appreciate y'all, man, for stopping by. Follow me on all social media platforms. There's Twitter at mokicksthanbrucelee /X at mokicksthanbrucelee. Also TikTok. I don't know if it ban that jump, but for right now, follow me at mokicksthanbrucelee. Facebook at mokicksthanbrucelee and IG at mokicksthanbrucelee. Again, man, appreciate y'all, man. See y'all on the next episode.
Like jump man, we jumping out of space. Heat checking from the box to the case.